help about yourself? My name is Virappa Pukirpudan. My father is farmer. My mother is housewife. I am 13 years old. I have no brother. My sister. I am studying in 8th standard in SRS High School. My home is in Ur. I am living on my street. Urvala. I wanted to become a soldier. My hobbies are writing, reading, playing games. Kinds of sentence: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamative sentence. Assertive sentence: an assertive sentence which makes statement is called an assertive sentence. Example: I go to school. Rama drinks milk. Interrogative sentence: an interrogative sentence which asks question is called an interrogative sentence. Example: what is your name? How old are you? Imperative sentence: an imperative sentence which makes order request or which is called as imperative sentence. Example: order, stand up, sit down. Request: please give me a pen, help me. Wish you happy birthday, congratulations. Exclamatory sentence: an exclamatory sentence is a sentence which expresses sudden feelings is called as exclamatory sentence. Example: hooray, India won the match. Wow, nice car. Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun: a noun is a name of person, place, or thing. Is called a noun. Example: person, Rama, Kiran. Things, that, wall. Place, Yelamangoda, Sodati. Pronoun: a pronoun is a or it is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Example: I, we, you, she, you, they. Adjective: an adjective is a word which describes noun or pronoun is called as adjective. Example: verb: a verb is a word which shows an action is called as verb. Example: sing: I sing a song. Play: I play cricket. Adverb: an adverb is a word which describes verbs is called as adverb. Preposition: a preposition is a word which relationship between nouns. We shows relationship between noun or pronoun is called as preposition. Example: on, between, into. Conjunction: a conjunction is a word which combines two or more words or sentences is called a conjunction. Example: and Raju and Rama good friends. Implication: an implication is a word which expresses some feelings is called a implication. Example: wow, this car. Oh my god. Adjective. Introduction ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ preposition example